Are you a person just got out of school and you're starting a new employment? Or are you a person got out of school, worked for a little bit, figured out a new business, and you're starting a new business? As a real estate person, I encourage people that are just starting on the new career path, the new business. If they can just follow these steps that I'm going to be sharing with you, that it might give you a head start on early investment and jump into real estate earlier. That way in the future, A, you can have generational wealth building. B, you can get out of renting and not waste money on renting. So most of the time, what I tell people is, as soon as you start invest or getting into income or job or anything like that, think about real estate. Don't ever let real estate out of your sight. It's good to have great jobs. It's good to have good business. But as you're making that income, by meeting with a good real estate agent or you thinking about getting yourself educated, you can start investing in real estate and be in real estate. And the way I did it when I was young was, I started small. I started very small, a little house in Seattle, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. That was the property I could afford. So you could always start early to buy into real estate. So maybe you can buy a condo. Maybe you can buy a townhouse. Maybe you can buy a rambler house. So think about investing in real estate in that way. You start small and then you can build up to something bigger. So if you're that person that is starting a new career, starting a new business, and want to learn more about real estate, make sure you reach out to me. It is important when it comes to real estate and when you're thinking about investing and when you're putting a lot of money down on a property, you need to build a team. And real estate agents or people like me that are wealth of knowledge, experience is the people that you reach out to. So if you're interested in learning more, reach out to me, especially if you're looking in the Lynnwood and the surrounding areas, Snohomish County. I am available to educate you and get your path to real estate in a great way.